One band, one dream, one direction. Namaste and a hearty welcome to all the One Direction fans present out there. Today is 6th of February 2021 અને ગુજરાતી તિથિ પ્રમાણે આજે પોષ વદ નોમ છે. Music is not just a sound, it is its own language and it communicates so much. Music can raise someone's mood, get them excited or make them calm and relaxed. It has the power to unite people, make them feel understood, make them feel at peace. It is something to dance to, bond over, or even listen to when alone. Let's get ready for some serene music to calm our minds.
श्री तुलसीदास रचित મર્યાદા પુરુષોત્તમ ભગવાન શ્રી રામના ગુણગાનજીમાં સમાયેલા છે એવી સ્તુતિ શ્રી રામચંદ્ર કૃપાલુ ભજમન હરણ ભવ ભય દારુણમ કે ભગવાન શ્રી રામનું ફક્ત નામ જ કાફી છે તમારા દરેક દુઃખોને તમારા ભવના પાપોને હરી લેવા માટે. શ્રી રામ કે જેના નામ માત્રથી પથ્થર પણ પાણીમાં તરવા લાગે છે, જેમણે શબરીનો ઉદ્ધાર કર્યો, જેમણે હનુમાનની ભક્તિનો સ્વીકાર કર્યો, એવા ભગવાન શ્રી રામની સુંદર સ્તુતિ પ્રસ્તુત છે.
श्री रामचंद्र कृपालु भजमन हरण भव भय दारुणम्. नव कंज लोचन कंज मुख कर कंज पद कंजारुणम्. पीत मानहु तड़ित रुचि सुचि नौमि जनक सुतावरम्. भजो दीन बंधु दिनेश दानव वंशनि कंदनम्. रघुनंद आनंद कंद कौशल चंद दशरथ नंदनम्. शिर मुकुट कुंडल तिलक चारो दार अंग विभूषण. शिर मुकुट कुंडल तिलक चारो चाप धर संग्राम जित खर दोषणम् इति वदति तुलसीदास संकर शेष मुनि मनरंजनम् मम हृदय कंज निवास गुरु कामादि खल दल गंजनम् श्री रामचंद्र कृपालु भज मन हरण भव भय दारुणम्
A music ensemble or a band is a group of musicians that works together to perform or make music. One Direction, often shortened to 1D, is an English-Irish pop boy band formed in London, England in 2010. This band has won nearly 200 awards, including 7 Brit Awards, 4 MTV VMAs, 7 AMAs and 6 Billboard Awards. This band includes Harry Styles, Liam Payne, Louis Tomlinson, Niall Horan and Zayn Malik. The group signed with Simon Cowell's record label Psycho Records in 2010. The band broke up in 2016. Let's learn some more about these band members from Ashna Anandkat, Vani Modha, Haley Patel, Shreya Lunagaria and Krisha Sakhya.
A dream is only a dream until you decide to make it real. Harry Edward Styles, born 1st February 1994, is an English singer, songwriter and actor. He began his musical career in the year 2010 as a solo contestant on the British music competition series The X Factor. He was the one who came up with the name One Direction, which went on to become one of the best-selling boy bands of all time. After the band went on hiatus in 2016, Harry released 2 super-hit pop-rock albums, one of which is part of Rolling Stone's 500 Greatest Albums of All Time. Harry made his acting debut in the 2017 war film, Dunkirk. Harry is an avid believer in being who you truly are. He has also shown support for the Black Lives Matter movements and the End Gun Violence movements. He has also been showing support for the He for She campaign and has donated profits from his tour to end hunger. Treat people with kindness is Harry's motto for life,
which has now become one of his most iconic songs. He believes in achieving your dreams through hard work, since Harry has come a long way from working in a bakery as a teen. Currently, Styles is working on a movie called Don't Worry Darling, directed by Olivia Wilde.
If people talk behind your back, it is because you're ahead of them. By Zayn Malik. Zayn Javed Malik, born on 12 January 1993, was a contestant in the show X Factor in 2010. There he was grouped with Harry, Liam, Louis and Niall, forming the foundation of One Direction. The band released many albums and was quite famous worldwide. Sadly, in March 2015, Zayn left the band and went on pursuing a career as a solo singer and songwriter. He became the first British male artist to debut at #1 in both UK and US with his debut studio album Mind of Mine and its lead single Pillow Talk. Zayn strongly believes in turning the page and moving on. He says that we have to get on with life because life gets on even without you. He loves his life and says that even if he had a chance, he wouldn't change a single thing because every failure has taught him an important lesson. He loves his fans and considers them a family. He has received multiple awards like the American Music Award for the Artist of the Year in 2016 and the MTV Music Award for the Best Collaboration in 2017. That collaboration was with Taylor Swift for the song I Don't Wanna Live Forever. He has also starred with his fellow 1D members in the films called This Is Us and Where We Are.
Everyone deserves to feel good about themselves, and if you don't, then start, because everyone is beautiful. Niall James Horan is an Irish singer and songwriter born on 13 September 1993. He learned to play guitar himself by watching YouTube tutorials at the age of 11. He auditioned for British show X Factor at the age of 16 and was put in a group with fellow contestants as One Direction. After the band's hiatus, Horan came out with his debut solo album Flicker, which topped at #3 in UK and Australia. His second studio album Heartbreak Weather also debuted at #4 in US. He co-founded Modest Golf, a golf management company. He has recently revealed that he has been writing lots of music, hinting to a new album. Niall has donated 100,000 euros to a charity for old people during COVID-19 pandemic. He believes that failure motivates us to do better in life. He sets an example to millions of fans. He learned playing guitar himself, and today he is known to be a wonderful guitarist, proving that we are our best teacher.
If you want to do something, go for it. You've got nothing to lose. Louis Tomlinson. Louis William Tomlinson, born on 24th of December 1991, is an English singer and a songwriter. He started his career as an actor appearing in small TV dramas. In 2009, he auditioned for the X Factor but was turned down. However, when he returned in 2010, he was successfully put in the band named One Direction. 5 years of being together, the band made 5 amazing albums. Sadly, the band went on a hiatus in 2016. After the hiatus, Tomlinson released his first single, Just Hold On, which peaked at #2 in UK. Then he released Back to You and an album named Walls. Two of Us is a song he wrote for his mother, who died after fighting leukemia. Fans say they love these songs as they are so natural, which makes them feel relatable in daily life. Fans also say they love listening to him
as it makes them feel safe and loved. His voice is so charming and beautiful, which will make you feel safe. Tomlinson is an inspiration for many. He donated the money he got from his live concert in London to support Fairshare, Crew Nation, Blue Bellwood, Children's Hospital and Stagehand. He is a courageous man and an inspiration for many across the world.
Live Your Dream and Never Wake Up by Liam Payne. Liam James Payne was born on 29th August 1993 in Wolverhampton, United Kingdom. He contested twice in the show called The X Factor, after which he created One Direction with Harry, Niall, Louis and Zayn. He was also known as the middleman in the group. But unfortunately, in 2016, the band took a break. Then Liam, pursuing his dream, went on and became a solo singer and songwriter. He released his single Strip That Down on 19 May 2017. He also released his first solo album called LP1 in December 2019. This album is mainly based on hip-hop and R&B orientation.
When you hear the name One Direction, what comes to your mind? The melodious voices of the bandmates and their iconic songs. Let's listen to a 2.0 version of the song History, sung originally by the 1D band and now in the voices of Shreya Nagaria and Haley Patel. This song was dedicated by the band members to each other in hope of getting back together someday after the band's hiatus.
Gotta help me, losing my mind, getting the feeling you wanna leave this all behind. How do we go strong? How do we hold on? If they don't teach ya this is school, how much breaking down, don't know what to do. Gotta be going strong, gotta be hold on. You and me got a whole lot of history. We could be the greatest team that the world has ever seen. You and me got a whole lot of history. So don't let it go. We can make some more. We can live forever. All of the rumors, all of the fights, we always find a way to make it out alive. Thought we were going strong, thought we were holding on. You and me got a whole lot of history. We could be the greatest team that the world has ever seen. You and me got a whole lot of history. So don't let it go, we can make some more, we can live forever. Major cars, expensive cars, hotel rooms, new tattoos, good champagne, private planes, but they don't mean anything. 'Cause the truth is that I realize that without you here, life is just a lie. This is not the end, this is not the end. We can make it, you know it, you know. You and me got a whole lot of history. We could be the greatest team that the world has ever seen. You and me got a whole lot of history. So don't let it go. We can make some more. We can live forever. Got a whole lot of history. We could be the greatest team that the world has ever seen. You and me got a whole lot of history. So don't let it go. We can make some more. We can live forever.
Every famous personality has one or the other famous dialogue or quotes. Here are 10 of the most iconic phrases that came out of the mouths of these band members. Let's watch a video about the same made by Racho Davda and Dhwani Shah.
Guess the person who says this. What did we win?
What did we win?
Guess the person from this band who says this. 2 bananas for a pound.
Two bananas for a pound.
2 bananas for a pound.
Guess the person from this band who says this. Pop sugar sugar pop pop.
Pop sugar sugar pop pop. Pop sugar sugar pop pop. Pop sugar sugar pop pop.
Guess the person from the band who says this. What's happening?
What's happening?
What's happening?
What's happening?
What's happening? Let's get it started.
What's happening?
Guess the person from this band who says this. Pranks, laughs.
We're really funny.
Are we?
We are, aren't we? The laughs we have.
Between me and
we
you.
have some laughs.
Pranks, laughs.
Stop it, man.
Stop it, man.
No, Jimmy protested.
No, Jimmy protested.
Guess the person from this band who says this. We are very excited.
Excited.
Guess the person from this band who says this. This is a family show. Or is it?
It's a family show. Or is it? This is a family show. Or is it?
Come on, Bobby, let's go party. Yeah.
Come on, Barbie, let's go party. Yeah.
Please get ready for the national anthem. Assembly Saudhan.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Assembly Vishram. Let's end this assembly with a glorious day to look forward to and a point to ponder about by Racho Davda.
तुम वाकई में बहुत अमेजिंग इंसान हो और तुम्हें कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ना चाहिए कि लोग तुम्हारे बारे में क्या बोलते हैं और क्या सोचते हैं। लोगों का काम है बोलना, दूसरों को नीचा दिखाना और खुद सुपीरियर बन जाना। तुम सिर्फ अपने गोल्स पे ध्यान दो। जो अच्छे और सही लोग हैं, जो कुछ करना चाहते हैं अपनी लाइफ में, उन्हीं के साथ रहो। तुम जितनी बार ऊपर चढ़ने की कोशिश करोगे, लोग तुम्हें नीचे खींचेंगे, लेकिन तुम्हें हार नहीं माननी। कोई तुम्हारे लुक्स के बारे में कुछ बोले तो उसको अनसुना कर दो।
कोई तुम्हारी पर्सनालिटी के बारे में बोले तो उसे इग्नोर करो। तुम्हें ये बात पता होनी चाहिए कि तुम खूबसूरत हो और किसी के कुछ भी बोलने से तुम्हारी खूबसूरती पे दाग नहीं लगेगा। जितना लोगों के बारे में सोचोगे तुम अपने आप को डिस्ट्रैक्ट करोगे। खामोशी से अपने रास्ते पे चलते जाओ। ना निभाने वालों के पास 1000 बहाने हैं और निभाने वालों के पास सिर्फ एक, कि उसको निभानी है। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, Raju. Thank you all for listening to today's assembly and have a supercalifragilisticexpialidocious day ahead.
નમસ્તે. રામ નામનો મહિમા અપરંપાર છે. રામનું જીવન જ એક સંદેશ છે. રામના જીવનમાંથી આપને મર્યાદા, મિત્રતા, આદર્શ અને સરળતા શીખવા મળે છે. રામ આદિ છે, અનંત છે અને હનુમાનજીના સ્વામી પણ છે. રામનું નામ જ લેતા સમસ્ત દુઃખ અને પાપોનો નાશ થાય છે. તો પ્રસ્તુત છે સત્ય, ચિત્ત અને આનંદ સ્વરૂપ પ્રભુ શ્રી રામના ગુણગાન ગાતી આ સ્તુતિ. જય રઘુનંદન, જય સિયારામ. जय रघुनंदन, जय सिया राम.
जय रघुनंदन, जय सिया राम.
भज मन प्यारे, जय सिया राम.
भज मन प्यारे, जय सिया राम.
जय रघुनंदन, जय सिया राम.
जय रघुनंदन, जय सिया राम.
आदि राम, अनंत है राम.
आदि राम, अनंत है राम.
सतचित और अनंत है राम.
सतचित और अनंत है राम.
जय रघुनंदन, जय सिया राम.
जय रघुनंदन, जय सिया राम.
हनुमान के स्वामी राम.
हनुमान के स्वामी राम.
दीनन के दुख हारी राम.
दीनन के दुख हारी राम.
जय रघुनंदन, जय सिया राम.
जय रघुनंदन, जय सिया राम.
भज मन प्यारे, जय सिया राम.
भज मन प्यारे, जय सिया राम.
जय सिया राम, जय 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 जय सिया राम.
जय Ram.